Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, and today I am being creative with some ramen noodles. Yum, yum. So for those of you who do not know what ramen noodles are, this is what they are. They come with a little package of seasoning. This one is chicken, and these are just some hard noodles. Normally what you do is you boil some water, you throw the noodles in there, and you cook them, I think it's like for 3 minutes. It's not very long. And you add the packet, and it's kind of like a soup noodle thing. That's not how I make them. And I'll have to say, my family always gives me a rough time because I love ramen noodles, but I don't cook them like the directions say. And today I'm going to show you one option that I do. And you know what? It's actually good for you. So right now I have sauteed up some veggies. I've got peppers from the garden. I have some tomatoes, onions, garlic, and some mushrooms. These are canned mushrooms. Fresh would be better, but that's all I had. And I sauteed it in butter. Put a little bit of salt and pepper on there. So now I'm getting some water to boil. It's not boiled yet. It's cold. I just turned it on, but you know what? I'm plopping the noodles in there and the season packet. Now I gotta wait for it to boil. While I'm waiting for that to boil, I got my favorite bowl out and I put some shredded cheese in there. And now I'm going to put the vegetables on top. So it's starting to boil a little bit, and I'm just breaking these noodles up so they can cook evenly. So the next thing I'm going to do is drain them, but I'm not going to drain them fully. I'm going to leave a little bit, just a tiny bit of the water. See, about that much. Then I'm going to dump them in there and stir till the cheese melts. There you go, it's all done. It's going to be really delicious with my cantaloupe on the side. So, this is how I'm creative with my ramen noodles. Have you ever had ramen noodles before? What do you think of them? Do you give them a thumbs up or a thumbs down? Let me know down in the comment section below. Thanks for joining me, and y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, signing out for now. Bye-bye.